Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solution. So for today's video, let's going to learn how can use artboard. So here's the artboard, move tool, and there's an artboard tool. I use artboard tool. For example, if I want to deliver different sizes of images to my client, for example, Facebook ads, ads or Google ads. Each ads has different sizes for mobile, desktop, and tablet. So this is what I use for them to check easily the placement of the images in different sizes. So here, just select artboard. Okay. So here you can see the size of the artboard. So for example, you are making a Facebook ads for the Facebook. So for the Facebook, it's there is a dimension 1080 by 1080. Okay, so if you want another dimension, you can create here. Just drag it. So as you can see, it creates a group. So this is artboard 1, artboard 2. So you can rename this one. So for example, Facebook ads. So for example, this other one is for YouTube ads. YouTube. Okay. It all depends to you. So usually Facebook, there are two different sizes, usually 3 sizes. We're going to create 3 sizes for all Facebook ads or all YouTube ads, so it depends. So right here, so let's go into YouTube. So Facebook. So for example, I have this image. So I am going to move that one here. So if you move it here, it goes to the automatic to the Facebook ads, this one. So if you move it here, if you move it here, it will go here. Should be okay. Like that. So it's easier for you to find to see the placement of your images if you use artboard. For me, in my own opinion. So if you drag it, make sure. So if you duplicate and then drag, make sure all of the image is under the other next artboard. That's the time it will transfer the image here. So here you can adjust. So that's it. So in saving, you can export all of the artboards, or you can choose what artboard to export or save. So for this, you select this quick export. You are exporting all of the artboards. So you need to select folder. So I have here a desktop folder under A folder. So select that folder. After that, it will save the 2 artboards. So if you have different artboards, lots of artboards, but you want only to save the 1 artboard, so this is what you're going to do. Export as. So just select the artboard that you want to export or save. So export. So you are going to select a folder or area which you are going to save that from. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.